All right, folks, picking the top of markets, it's been an obsession for investors, especially the so-called smart money crowd, right? Because, well, let's face it, they've been calling for a correction for years. Now, a few mavens have been adamant about this market, like as adamant about this market crashing as Paul Tudor Jones, who has been looking for the economy and the stock market to tumble ever since the beginning of this current leg of the bull market. Recently, however, Jones has become a believer, at least in the AI trade. Now, his about face kind of reminds me of that Monkees classic. Then I saw her face, now I'm a believer. Not a trace of doubt in my mind. With me now, Wealth Consulting Group, their CIO, Jim Worden. And Jim, you know, you wrote that one of the problems essentially for folks is that when they look at their screen and they see the market, it's at the top and the right, and it feels like, well, it's got to come down.
That's right. I mean, some people look at this and they say, well, it's the top of the screen or it's the top of the paper, and that has to be resistance.
Right.
But, you know, as we know, when markets do break out above those areas of resistance, like what we had in around 7,000, they can keep going. And so
this has got a pretty strong trading channel that suggests a lot more room to the upside.
Absolutely. We're definitely not way over our skis in terms of the trend and where we could go from here.
It does, though, get a little anxious to say, okay, what should I buy? Do I bottom fish or do I chase? One name I know you like is Taiwan Semi, which I think is compelling because they're at the heart of all of this, right? They already had their core x86 business. Now you start adding on some of this new business that they've got. And it feels like they've been the ones, more so even than NVIDIA the last couple of years. When their earnings come out, it seems to spark all of semis. But this is a trade that you still like. This is an investment you still like.
Yeah, absolutely, Charles. So it really, we're liking the picks and shovels more than some of the software. There's some software that we do like, to be clear, but this is a business, you know, whether it's NVIDIA or Taiwan, and we did buy Intel when things looked dire.
Right.
And so we've done very well with that. Broadcom's another one.
What sparked you on Intel? I mean, I was in Intel. It made a big move. We got out, and it just keeps making bigger and bigger moves. And of course, I don't think the relationship with the White House hurts. They just got a huge contract with Apple, but it's just the ultimate turnaround story.
Yeah, well, some of these names we like to buy them when the fundamentals are still looking okay, but
right.
there's almost this peak hate. Like everyone is hating it, investors are bailing on it. The same thing happened with Tesla, if you remember, like a few years ago. And so we see that as like, okay, well, there's not any more sellers. So you go against the grain
because I loved Tesla for a long time, particularly as Wall Street hated it. That year that Wall Street lost like 40 billion trying to short it. I love that. I love that. Yeah. I'm sort of contrarian like that. Let's look at another name that you like, ASML. This is a name that is a pure monopoly. But the stock has been relatively sideways for most of the year. That last earnings report was so-so. But for you, that's just temporary, right? You just
Yeah, absolutely. Some of these turn around a lot quicker than others, and some of them they're still kind of in this consolidation phase. They're still kind of building up to where they're going to have that momentum. So I would rather be buying these things earlier than later after they've already had a lot of the momentum.
Okay. Again, they have a complete monopoly, and everybody has to use them. So I agree with you. Let me ask you about Palantir, because you talked about some software names. I guess it's a software company and it's being treated like that. In fact, it's got a key support point that it must hold here, but you think this is the time to start really maybe building a position?
Well, we've actually owned Palantir for a while, and we've done well, and so you know
if we had like a 5-year chart, this would be a blip on the screen.
We've taken some profits, and that was more just trying to manage the risk of the portfolio. We didn't want the position size to get too big, but yeah, I agree with what you're saying. We probably do get some support here, and they may be going through their own phase of peak hate, right? Maybe people are like, well, I don't like what they're doing with the government and defense, but we just think that they have got something that's a very wide moat, and it's going to be hard to compete
against. I'm a huge fan of Alex Karp, a huge fan. That stock is completely, in my mind, oversold. Less than a minute to go in the show. Adobe is a household name. It's been a tremendous stock, and yet this is seen as a victim of the software of AI. You don't think so?
No, we don't think so. And the reason being is we just don't see any AI model doing exactly what Adobe can do. Now, there's some software companies that I feel like are a little bit riskier into it, maybe one of those. But Adobe, you know, we bought this. I think it was trading at 11 times forward earnings, and so we
we
like
record
that.
this, so I'll bring it up next time I see you.
Please do.